All right, this is the next number is 6 through 10 of EOCT review 2, and we're going to work 1 through 13 on Monday. Tonight you want to work 14 through 19. So when we come in tomorrow, we real quickly we talk about 14 through 19. We do our USA test prep question of the day, and then you work on 20 through 25. So if you want to research 20 through 25 tonight and have an idea of what it's going to do, those are the ones that I'm going to grade as right or wrong. Okay, and you'll get a little quiz grade on this. The first quiz grade you got is EOCT Review 1. This will be EOCT Review 2. We'll do the same thing on Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday, Monday. And then Tuesday is when we take it. Some of the angles, number 6, some of the angles of a triangle. 180. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. So if two of those angles are 70 plus 50 plus this other angle that we don't know what it is, gives you 180 degrees. So 70 plus 50, or excuse me, 20 plus 50 is 70. So move it over to the other side, x equals 110. Guys, again, what I'm trying to show you and why I want to see this right here is because my expectation for you next week when you write this out or you work this problem out is you write something out, guys, on your scratch paper. Don't just look at the answers and go, oh, boom, there's C, and move on to the next problem, because part of these things now is making up good distractors. And the distractors sometimes get us thinking about, oh, those two had to get into the 70, so that's why 70 was a choice. Because you get that on your mind as you read through the problem without writing something down. They're trying to get you working too fast, and there's too much going on, and you forget what the correct answer is right there. All right. What is the solution to the equation P equals 2L plus 2W when solved for W? Okay, so what I want to do is I want to write that out. P equals 2L plus 2W. If I'm solving it for W, that means I want to move everything away from the W. So how do I move a positive 2L on the right? Comes a negative 2L on the left. Okay, now on 10marks.com, guys, you'll see if you go there tonight, and you guys that want some extra practice on, these are called literal equations. I put some on there so you can practice this skill right here. You're trying to solve for W, and right now you have 2 times W. So if it says 2 times W, I need to divide by. So when I divide by 2, that gives me my answer, P minus 2L over 2. So there's my answer. Okay? Hold off on this question. Hold off on 8 right here. I'll get back with you on 8. Just skip 8, guys. That'll be a question we'll go over tomorrow if we have to. We're going to run out of time if I don't hustle here. So, Emily wants to solve the equation AX minus W equals 3 for 4W. In other words, get W by itself. If I've got to end up with W by itself, then what needs to be moved? AX. If I move AX to the other side. Very good. Negative W equals negative AX plus 3.
Divide by negative 1.
Divide by negative 1, both sides. So W equals, what does it do to the negative? What does it do to
minus 3.
Which equation is equivalent to this? Guys, if you ever have to solve a problem that has fractions in it, there's absolutely nothing wrong with doing this first, guys. Fraction problems, the fraction can be eliminated by multiplying every single Math word right here. Every single term. Every single term by the common denominator. What happens when I multiply 7x over 4 by 8? What cancels out? How many times does 4 go into 8? What's 2 times 7? How many times does 8 go into 8? So minus 3x equals 11 times 8. So 11x equals 88. You okay?